Now I understand the fact that most of you have been looking for ways and means to come up with this 3D mockup using your smartphone since PhotoG application got stopped working, or it has stopped working along the line, and even the Photopea websites has been giving problem to people with less RAM on their smartphone, right? So today I've decided to share an easy way, a step-by-step way that you can actually come up with a design like this using your smartphone. A mock-up like this using your smartphone, right? So before we even proceed with the rest of the video, I just want to give a big shout out to brother Emmanuel Asamoah, right? So the idea that I'm going to share in this video is actually from him. One of my subscribers actually asked in one of my WhatsApp groups on how to get this thing done since PhotoG application stopped working, and he shared an idea on how to use the same PhotoG applications to come up with something like this. So I literally pick up the idea from him and I want to share it with everyone on this platform so that we all get to know how to use it, all right, so we all can benefit from it. So having said that, big shout out to you, Emmanuel Asamoah, again, wherever you are watching this video. I salute you, right? Thank you so much for the idea and sharing it with the community right here. Good. So what do we have to do? Basically, we are going to use like 2 applications for this, and I'm going to leave the link to one of the applications in the video description. Good. So this is the applications that we are going to use. These 2 applications over here, these are the applications that we are going to use. The Bazaar application and the PhotoG application, as we all already know. Good. So what we are going to do first is to install the Bazaar application and download the PhotoG application from the Bazaar, right? So this is what I'm going to do. I have the Bazaar application installed already, as you can see over here, but I'm going to uninstall it just for this video. I'm going to uninstall it, right? So I'm uninstalling it for the reason that when I'm installing it, you see the steps that I will actually go through. So I'll tap on uninstall right now. Okay, so I'll just cancel it. This now, what I'm going to do now is to quickly run to my file and grab this particular APK of the application, so that I'll just install it again and let's see how it's going to be. So let me just scroll through my download, because I've already downloaded the app. The APK version of it is not on Play Store, so I'll leave the link to this particular Bazaar application in the video description so that you can also download it and install it using the steps that I'm going through. Okay, so once you download the application, just proceed with the installation like this. So I'll just stop here and proceed with it. So let me just check out this quick and give permission for this to be used. So yeah, this is the installation process. It's currently on, and once it is done installing, I'll be prompted to open the app and continue with the remaining things that I have to do. So it is done installing. I'm just going to open it over here, right? So good. This is what I actually want you to do. When the app open like this, tap on this green bar. Okay, this is the reason why I've actually uninstalled the app and I'm reinstalling it again. So you tap on the green bar over here, and from here all that you have to do is to go to the search bar over here. Just tap inside, then make sure you delete everything over there. All right, by default it's going to be like this. So what you have to type over there is PhotoG. So photo, then you leave a space, then you type G, and you tap on the search bar. So from here you select this option. All right, at this point all that you have to do is to tap on this green bar over here. The green text in Arabic over here. You just tap on it and it will download the PhotoG application for you, right? But because myself, I've already downloaded the PhotoG application on my phone, I don't have to actually download it again, because this is it right here. I've already downloaded, right? So what we have to do now is to actually open the PhotoG application and follow the steps involved in coming up with a 3D mockup. So we tap on the Photo G application, we get it open. Once it is open like this, the first thing that we have to do is tap on new projects. Once we tap on new projects, we come and tap on stickers added down here. Once we tap on it, then we choose from gallery. So insert from gallery, we tap on it, then I'll probably go with insert without crop, right? So I'll pick one design from my gallery quickly. Let's say I have some design in my Pixel folder which I actually use for the project, so let me quickly grab that design. Good. So what you need to know over here is that the design that you are going to use is probably not going to have a background. It should be a transparent one. So I'm just going to increase the size of it by tapping on size, and I'll just play around with it this way. Just want to make it a little bit big over here like this. What is more important over here is for you to get exactly what I want you to get, which is for you to know how to mock up your design using the Photo G application, right? So at this point, all that you have to do is to tap on the menu bar over here, I mean the 3 dots at the top here, then tap on convert to 3D mockup. So I'll just tap on it, and from here you tap on this green text over here, then you wait. Make sure you have your internet connection on, right? If you don't have your internet connection on, it will not take you to this part, right? So you have to get your internet connection on. So at this point, just scroll through the mockup and select the one that you actually want to use. So I'm just going to scroll down, and good, I'm going to pick this particular one. So all you have to do here is to tap on the blue button over here. Once you tap on it, probably there's going to be an advert showing, and you have to allow the adverts to play. The advert must play to the end before you tap on this bar, which will allow you to close it. Okay, so you have to wait for this adverts to play. That's the main reason I'm actually allowing it over here. If you are someone and you are in hurry and you decide to close the adverts and try to proceed, it will not load for you. Okay, so you just have to wait for the adverts, let it play out well, and we proceed. Let's say something. The advert hasn't ended, so let's close this and see what will happen, right? So they've sent us to this place, and when we close it, this is what we have. All right, so this one couldn't be processed, our work couldn't get processed for us to move to the next page. But now let's tap on the blue button again, and now this time around we have to watch the adverts to finish completely, right? I actually ended up the advert along the line just to show you that if you end it, you will not be able to get a result. So now let's tap on this one again and make sure we go through all the adverts. So let's wait for everything to finish, and let's see what will happen. If it will take us to the main page where we can actually continue with the mockup, or it will not take us to that particular page. So wait for the advert to finish playing, and let's see at the other side. So now the advert is done playing, and after this point you can just tap on this and close the advert so that you proceed to the next stage. You can say it is now being uploaded. Okay, at this point just come and tap on this text over here, the one to your right, tap on it, and this is what will happen, right? You will see another advert just pop up. Okay, so you have to tap on this white part to close this particular advert. You tap over here and your design will pop up over here. Then you can just go ahead and tap on download, which is actually the one in black over here. Tap on it and your your work will get downloaded into your gallery, and pretty much that is it. And look, I do hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button on this video, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos. Okay, this is Goswe here from Serene Arts, and I hope to see you in my next video. Just don't forget, if you have anything, just leave it in the comments below, right? I'll be right there to reply every one of you. Okay, so just go ahead, leave a comment anything at all that you don't understand or you want to know or you appreciate this video, just leave a comment. Yeah, that's how we do it. Okay, that's how we do it. Just go ahead, leave a comment below. Right, I'm out.